So you've decided you want to sell your residential property in Dubai, but how do you start? Hi, I'm Vitalijus Sevruk, residential sales agent at Metropolitan. And in this video, I'm going to give you a simple and brief step-by-step guide on how you can sell your Dubai property smoothly and at the right price. Step number 1 is choosing the right real estate agent. This is a crucial step in making sure your expectations are managed, you have a trustworthy line of communication and reliable source of information. When looking for an agent, ask yourself the following questions. Do they work for a credible and reputable real estate agency? Are they verified with a good reviews on major platforms like Google and FIFO? And do they have a proven record with the listed properties in your area? Once you started to speak to the agent, make sure you get a detailed action plan on how they plan to sell your property. This shows they understand your needs and they have good knowledge of your property and your area. Once you're happy with the agent you've chosen, it's time to sign the Form A. Here the agent can provide more information about the market and the value of the property. And you can ask questions about the benefits of listing exclusively with one agent and how the agent plans to advertise the property. Form A includes your property details, payment schedule, property price, how long the mandate is eligible for, if it's exclusive, and the commission. The next step is to list your property. This is where the agency can take photos and videos of inside and outside the home to list the property on the portals and other channels. If the photos are ready, the property should be listed within 24 hours. If the photos need to be taken, then it will likely take between 2 and 4 days. If you decide you want to sell your property off market, you will need to sign an NOC, which includes the price and the date, so the agent is allowed to sell the property. Once the property is online, your agent will start to receive inquiries from interested buyers. It's more than likely people will want to come to view the property in person. So make sure the property is presented well to help get maximum offers from those who are coming to visit. At this point, your agent should keep you updated with the outcome of each viewing, what went well, and how it can be improved for the next time. Once you have a buyer that likes what they see, they will make an offer through your agent. Now, this offer can either be through a mortgage or a cash, and depending on it, if you are a mortgage or a cash seller, the timing on this process can differ significantly. It's important to understand all of the documents and requirements for each possibility to manage your timeline and expectations. So to get more information on selling a property through either mortgage or cash, feel free to reach out to one of the Metropolitan team. Next, after Form B is signed by the buyer and you're happy to proceed, it is time to accept an offer and sign the Form F. This form consists of terms and conditions agreed by both parties, the price, the buyer's, the seller's information, the time frame, and the other clauses and pieces of information. Then, as a seller, you will need to request an NOC from the developer. This is where the developer declares you have no remaining debts on the property. The conveyancing team, accompanied with an agent, will coordinate with you as the seller, the buyer, the developer, and the banks to ensure the efficient sale process. Almost there. The only things left now are to arrange the transfer date and to go to the transfer. Arranging the date is done on a case-by-case basis. It depends on the factors such as the time it takes to get the NOC from the developer and how long it takes the buyer to prepare the checks. Prior to the transfer date, the conveyancers verify all documents and checks to ensure there are no complications when completing the transfer. Then yourself as the seller, the buyer, the agent and the conveyancing specialist will meet at the trustee office. When the documents are signed with the fingerprint and submitted to the Dubai Land Department, you will receive your checks as the property seller. At Metropolitan, we have over 120 Dubai area specialists with the knowledge, expertise, and obsession to go above and beyond for each and every client looking to sell their Dubai property. If you're looking for a more detailed breakdown on the steps to sell your property, with the exact documentations and costs at each stage, feel free to get in touch with one of our team.